Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming account permissions and ensuring data is available. Carriers sometimes block tethering, so check your plan. Once done, set your phone on charge if battery is low, then open Settings. You'll navigate to Network and Internet or Connections and tap Hotspot and Tethering. Make sure Wi-Fi hotspot is visible and ready, and tap to enter configuration so you can set an SSID and password before turning it on. Next, you'll configure security and performance options so your hotspot runs reliably. Tap Set up Wi-Fi hotspot to name the SSID, choose WPA2/WPA3 security, and enter a strong password. This prevents unauthorized use. Then pick 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed, and optionally limit the number of devices to reduce congestion. You can also schedule or enable automatic shutdown when idle. These choices balance battery life, data usage, and connection quality, so choose what fits your needs. Finally, turn the hotspot on and connect your laptop or tablet using the SSID and password you set. If a device won't connect, make sure mobile data is active and airplane mode is off. Also confirm the client supports the chosen 5 GHz or 4 GHz band. If speed or visibility issues persist, toggle the hotspot off and on or restart your phone. One key troubleshooting tip: if tethering appears blocked, contact your carrier. Some plans require enabling tethering server-side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.